Hello, in this video, I'd like to give you an update on my Charles Schwab brokerage account. This is an account that I created in June of 2022 that shows my individual stocks portfolio. I've been excited about making this video because we've had a really good week. One of the best weeks I've had since I've been investing. It's been a real profitable week. I don't think many people were expecting the market to do as well as it did this week, but it did. And we made some money from it. So I'm excited about making this video. So let's take a look in further detail. So what you see here is what my account gained from October 24th through October 28th. So $147. This spike you see here is where I added some more funds to my account. I added over $400. So that's the dramatic spike that got, that's causing that. That's the dotted line there. And then the value, of course, rose too of this portfolio. And it kept rising, especially near the end of the week. Thursday, October 27th, Friday, October 28th, it rose even more because the market did so well. So after a few weeks of negativity, September wasn't good at all, losing money. Then it was followed by a couple good weeks of profitable weeks that get us closer to overall profiting and making money, earning money on this stock account. I'm very pleased, very pleased. So $147 this week is what this brokerage account made. If we look here, we see the beginning value when this week started was $3,500, almost $3,600. Then I added $410. I don't know why I added the $10. I don't know what that was about, but I added $410. The investment, what the investments made was $147.04 this week. So that leaves us with an ending value of $4,100. So $4,153 is what we got. And if you watch these videos, you know that I was trying hard to get $3,000 not too long ago, it seemed. It didn't seem like I was going to get there because the account kept losing money and the stocks kept falling. And lo and behold, though, seemed like in a blink of an eye. Now, I did contribute some money to this account. Wasn't all investing genius that gained over $1,000 more, but I went from not having a hard time getting $3,000 to having $4,100 now. And that's where we sit currently. The goal is to get $5,000 by the end of 2022. So that's essentially about 2 more months to get that. I feel very confident that I'll reach that goal. And then the overall arching goal, the bigger goal, is to make or to have $100,000 in this Charles Schwab Stock Portfolio brokerage account. Ideally, I'm shooting for about 5 years. I'm going to be very ambitious. I know that's very ambitious, but I like to set my goals pretty high, and let's see what happens. But at least in 10 years for sure. But I'm going to shoot for 5 to try to grow this account to $100,000. Another reason I want to make these videos and started this account is see what my rate of return. Can I do well in picking stocks and investing? And I'm learning how to invest and manage my money. So this is a good experiment. So my rate of return for this week, October 24th through October 28th, was 3.94%. So anytime this number's green, I'm happy. And I've seen it red plenty of times. I think the worst it's ever done was minus 11%, maybe minus 10% so far. And this graph shows you how it performed. I'm the blue line here, the light blue line right here. The reason I wanted to do this experiment to see how I fared against some of the common indexes. So what you see here is like the Dow Jones Industrial Average did better than me this week. The Russell 2000 seemed like that's been doing really well ever since I've been investing since June of 2022. It had a really good week. And then, but I did do better than the NASDAQ, which didn't have a good week, and the S&P 500. S&P 500 had a worse week than the NASDAQ. So here it shows you the specific percentages. So my rate of return was 3.94%. The Russell 2000 was 6.02%. Very good. The S&P 500, 3.97%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, 5.72%. And the NASDAQ, 2.24%. So again, I'm very, very, very grateful for this week's performance. It's been an enjoyable week watching the stocks and keeping up with the stock market, and to see this account bounce back from some bad weeks. I mean, it was down, in double digits there for a while, but now we're getting back to where I'm feeling confident again in these individual stocks in this portfolio. We'll see how long it lasts in the positive, but at least the past couple of weeks have been positive, and such is the up and downs of the stock market. So we're going to keep going. We're going to keep investing. We're going to keep making smart decisions. We're going to keep researching and investing in good companies, and eventually I'll reach these goals. And then hopefully by doing so, you might learn some things or learn from my mistakes, and you can follow along with my journey to building this account up to $100,000. And hopefully some of the insights, some of the things you might learn from watching these videos might help you on your own financial freedom journey as well. That's the hope. All right, so let's see what the future has in store for us. We got one more day of trading and investing in October. So at the end of October, so Monday, October 31st, I'll make another video. I'll probably create it a day or two after the 31st so we can get the update on my account. But I'll make a video on how the portfolio performed through the month of October. Hopefully we don't have a big dip or a big crash in October on Halloween, October 31st. That kind of wipes out some of these profits, but we shall see. So it's very interesting. I love learning about the stock market. I love being involved with the stock market and investing, even when it's down. And of course, when it's up, it's very enjoyable to be involved. But I'm learning a lot, getting a lot of experience, and hopefully my financial future will be better for it through the things I'm learning by making these videos, by learning how to invest and how to manage my money. Speaking of, if you want to learn how to manage your money, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Also, if you want to learn how to make money, save money, invest money so you can live life on your own terms, so one day you can work because you want to, not because you have to, then I appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get all the latest videos and tutorials from this channel. All right, let's keep this good thing going. Hopefully your finances are doing well, and all the best, and take care.